State. It was a nice experience. I got to learn a bit about current, alternating current, direct current. I also got to know a little bit about electricity, power law, resistor law. I would say for one that the experience was interesting. At the closing period of the program, I was able to also understand how to calculate final powers, energy, and voltage calculations using a combination of batteries and solar panels.
And in the course of 1 week, we've been able to learn a lot about installing of solar panels, the design, the installations, and various knowledge needed in the industry.
Some of us, we've been in this business before, but this program has been an eye-opener to so many things that we did not know.
I can probably leave this academy today until I have knowledge of solar energy. I can probably say I can start a solar business now and understand the nitty-gritty of the solar system.
If you want to run a successful solar energy business in Nigeria, you must come to Ashdown Solar.